Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the XRP chart, a very popular cryptocurrency, and it's currently on its way into a trading area. Let's go. Okay, we are here on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register completely for free and you get access to all of these Elliott wave updates, cryptocurrencies, stocks, the S&P 500, tech stocks are included as well. But today we want to take a look at the cryptocurrencies section. By the way, you can find our link to that website in the video description. And I want to take a look at the XRP chart today. We take a look at the weekly and then we take a look at the 4-hour time frame. And we will have to understand the overall context first. Now, what you can see here on the chart is that the price most likely finished, I think it was around October, November, finished a wave 4, a long-term wave 4 as a triangle pattern. So triangles are sideways structures, and if you followed XRP over the years, then you know that this was a very frustrating move. And XRP, for example, couldn't make a new all-time high in 2021. Very frustrating for a lot of XRP holders. That meant that the market was caught in a larger correction, which always introduces a lot of uncertainty. But XRP reversed here in our trading area. That was sort of a long-term one visible on our weekly chart and is now obviously in a high, you could say a high risk area, because it's far away from any reasonable support on the longer time frame. So it was the time to accumulate was obviously down here. And the market then rallied, broke even above the 2021 high and has not yet really made a new all-time high. I mean, slightly broke above the high from the 2017 peak, but not on a sustained basis. So we're currently fighting here kind of in this area. The bulls and the bears are essentially fighting without a clear winner at this stage. But it is, I think, a good sign that the market is currently holding above the 2021 high, which we've labeled wave B. That's a wave B of a triangle. Again, triangles are 5-wave sideways structures, and the B wave formed the top here. And the $1.96 level can now act as support after it was resistance before. And now we are moving higher and probably haven't seen the top yet of this 5th wave, which should complete this long-term cycle that started at XRP's, well, the beginning of the chart essentially. So it's just about to understand. We're still watching for higher prices for XRP. I think $5 to $6 would be a reasonable upside target. We'll take a look at the microstructure here on the time frame, on the smaller time frame in a minute. But yeah, keep the $1.96 level in mind. Ideally, the price is now holding above this one. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, because this is now super interesting. The price is currently likely in a wave 4 correction with support in the area between the $1 area or $1 mark and the $1.69 mark. So this is long-term support actually. It allows the price to go down quite a bit. We give it a lot of space and it seems like it needs that space, especially after the correction of the last few days. So $1.69 to $1 would be a trading area. We see it as a wave 4 with one more high to come in wave 5. It might even be that this wave 5 is going to be an extended wave 5 that often happens in the metals market, but can definitely also happen in the crypto sector. What is important to understand is that, the market could turn around already now. It's not expected. We only assign it a 33% probability, and the market could then move higher in an alternative structure already more directly. But what we expect is a dip into this trading area. This is an area where the reward to risk ratio will be in a very attractive ratio, or in a very attractive relationship, you could say. And a break below $1, however, would really be too deep for a 4th wave. I mean, I don't really want the price that it really breaks and sustains below 169. I mean, ideally we're holding around the 50% mark, because everything else would be really deep for a wave 4, but cannot be ruled out. So we have to just prepare for it. Look at the volatility on this chart. It is really crazy. And the idea is currently that the market obviously rallied here, formed the 3rd wave. Then we had here off the 4th wave, the A wave, a high B wave, and it seems to be working on a so-called expanded flat structure. So what is that? The expanded flat means it's an A wave, which is a corrective move, then an overshooting B wave. The B wave breaks above, it's part of the correction actually, but it breaks above the 3rd wave high. So it is really frustrating. And then we have now this C wave to the downside, which can, but doesn't have to, break below the A wave low. But even in the alternative scenario, we've already broken below the a wave low, so it's already an expanded flat. And yeah, once it's completed, we're going to observe the structure for possible reversal signals, and then with a probability of 67%, we expect the market to break above that 339 level and possibly rally to $5 and beyond over the coming weeks, but probably rather months. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and make sure that you also register on our website. Activate the notification bell. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.